Hello. We are now discussing in this video the rule for addition or subtraction when we add and subtract numbers in science. When we add or subtract numbers, the rule is a little bit different from the rule that we have for multiplication and division. The rule here we will develop, and you will see that it is somewhat different. We are adding these two numbers here. The green digits are certain and the red digits are uncertain. This number here has 4 significant digits and 2 digits after the decimal. This number has 2 significant digits and it has 1 digit after the decimal. Now when we add them up, the result of adding uncertain digits is an uncertain digit. So this is 2 here, 3 plus 8 is 11, so 1 carries forward. This digit remains uncertain and we have 29.12 as the answer. Here the last 2 digits are uncertain. We can't have 2 uncertain digits, so therefore we round off to 1 uncertain digit. And when we round off to 1 uncertain digit, we get 29.1 with 1 uncertain digit. This result here has 3 digits, 3 significant digits, and it has 1 digit after decimal. Now let's see where the correspondence is happening. This 3 does not correspond with either 4 or 2, but this 1 does correspond with this, and therefore the final answer has effectively been rounded off to 1 digit after decimal, and that is the same as the number of digits after decimal in this figure. Now therefore the rule that we arrive at is that when we add or subtract numbers, the final result should be rounded off so as to have as many digits after decimal as are there in the input figure, having the least number of digits after the decimal. Now let's take up a simple example where we do this kind of addition. Let's add up and find the total mass of 20 balls of mass 1.06 gram each. Now when we add 20 masses of 1.06 gram each, as a shortcut what we can do is we can multiply 1.06 with 20 and the final result is 21.20. Now this is the result we are getting after multiplying. Now even though we are multiplying here, the final rule that applies is not the rule for multiplication but the rule for addition, because essentially what we are doing is an addition. The multiplication just happens to be a kind of a quick process for doing that addition. And therefore the final answer must have as many digits after decimal as are there in the input figure, having the least number of digits after decimal, and that number of digits after decimal is 2 here. So instead of expressing the answer as 21.2, we express the answer or the result as 21.20. So this series of 3 videos on significant figures have hopefully made it fairly clear to you about what significant digits are and how we make calculations and how we round off based on this concept of significant digits. Thank you very much for watching this video.